Slips and falls happen every day and can occur anywhere. Many of these injuries sustained from these falls can be prevented when appropriate precautions are taken.
VersaTraction, we started back as a surf company back in 2007, actually, and there had to be a better solution than the actual heavy EVA mat that goes on your board. So they came up with this engineered process that etches into your board and becomes, grippy when wet. Out came a couple other products. One we started was No Slip Mat, which ended up being our Kahuna Grip bath mats, now our top seller. VersaTraction product, it's a wide variety. It's keeping you safe inside your home, workplace, boat, surfboard, water sports, anywhere you can stick it, it goes.
Stop slipping and start gripping. VersaTraction is essential for when you need more non-skid grip.
Once our traction becomes wet, it becomes grippy. It's like a suction cup to the bottom of your feet or the soles of your shoes. It is non-abrasive. Most of them are like a sandpaper, and ours is completely soft to the touch, and it doesn't wear out like all the other ones. Over time, sandpaper kind of wears out and becomes smooth. And then the other alternative to that would be a vinyl that, once it becomes wet, it becomes a lot more slippery than grippy. One of its many applications is around your pool area. It's like a little stick you peel off the back, and you lay it down on the surface, and as you lay it down, you smooth it out. Easily conformable, and it can contour into any shape that you really need. Very durable, as you can see. And if you need to cut it, it's paper thin, so it's easy to cut with regular scissors.
I purchased VersaTraction because I had a very dangerous fall in my shower, and it scared me to death, so I looked for something that I could use in my shower and bathtub what would prevent me from slipping and falling. Both the bath mat and the shower mat. Very easy to install. I've had mine for 2 years now, and it's still just like new. It washes easily. I never feel like I'm gonna slip or fall at all when I take a shower or bath now. Another use that I have found is in my garage. And when it's been raining so much lately, it was very slippery at my side door and the back door to my garage. So I took some of the strips and put them down in my garage floor, and that solved the problem completely. I recommend it to all my friends.
Made in America from high-quality materials, this patented peel and stick is grippy, not sticky.
VersaTraction's made out of a polyblend diamond groove material with a patent process that we do on top of it that creates little tiny microbes that become suction cups when wet. It becomes grippy, not sticky. Our polyblend material is actually treated so it will not yellow in the sun or discolor over time.
Not just for one place. VersaTraction is for every place.
Our VersaTraction product is so versatile it can be used anywhere, inside your home, in your garage, around the pool area, your truck, your trailer steps, your boat, kayak, surfboard. The application possibilities are endless. Our product will keep everyone safe.
To learn more about VersaTraction, visit the website at versatraction.com and designingspaces.tv.